How to fix Wattpad app not working. So let's get started. The first solution to it is to check your internet connection. Wattpad needs a stable internet connection. Drag down the control center from the top right corner of your screen and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test. Or simply restart your Wi-Fi router, or you can also open another app or website to ensure internet is working. So now once you have checked that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi network, then all you have to do is force stop and reopen the Wattpad. And even after reopening it is not working, then simply restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can fix app glitches. Hold the power button, then tap restart or slide to power off and wait for 10 to 15 seconds and simply reopen your iPhone and open Wattpad again. So lastly, if none of these work, then all you have to do is simply reinstall Wattpad. Uninstall Wattpad from your device, then go to the App Store or Play Store and reinstall the app and log in again. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.